Go Giants! Go Giants!
Go Giants!
Go Giants!
Go Giants!
Yo! Oh!
Oh! Almost. I'm watching. Yay!
That was very good.
Yay! You're a cheerleader. That's right.
Come on, Giants! Say, come on, boys! Here we go, Lily.
Almost.
Go on! Go on!
He's getting close. He got close there. Joe.
Very close.
Almost.
I think you need to cheer louder, Lily.
You're gonna be a horse. You're gonna lose your voice.
What's the 190-pound safety that is played corner? Look at 25 get right in the mix. Get a hit on a mount, Bradshaw to get him going.
Go Giants!
Barnes has done a good job.
Okay, the field goal kicker. Get ready to cheer. He's gonna have to kick it over between the posts.
He's gonna try to kick it. Watch it kick.
He has to go in the middle.
Kick the ball.
Yeah!